Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as previously mentioned in the last video, we'll be starting to clean up the engine bay of our XLT600 Triple that we are currently using as a mod project. In addition, we'll be adding this sweet MBRP exhaust that I got for a sweet deal. Practically brand new. You can see right here, practically brand new. And of course, we tried it out, so it ruins the surprise a bit. However, we tried on the 600 Triple Touring, and it doesn't fit quite as perfectly, but thank God for us. This is a mod project, so it doesn't really matter if we cut it up a bit to make sure we get good fitment and no exhaust leaks. Alright, so this has already been done to it. We've got the carbs off, the airbox, the exhaust, batteries out. We'll be cleaning pretty much everything I can find. A little walk around here. So most of it's pretty much good. It's not like a deep clean, but more of a just general engine bay clean. For the looks, you know. So alright, let's get right into it. Alright, so a little update on the clean. Engine bay's pretty clean now. Haven't gotten to doing the engine yet. However, she's looking better than she did before, I can tell you that. Alright guys, so I got everything back together and cleaned up. We had some camera issues, that's why we didn't film most of it. Anyway, I was just putting stuff back together. A little bit of swearing here and there. Not really anything too interesting. So we have the exhaust on, and we'll see the mock-up roughly of the MBRP can. We already did it on the other snowmobile. However, we just want to, just for curiosity, we'll do it on this snowmobile as well. But it should be pretty much the same. As you see here, get the camera over here. This is just gonna go on here. And there is a gap, as you can see here. So either we're gonna take a grinder and grind maybe what does that look like, 1 inch off the tip here of the exhaust, and then hopefully that'll make it so the exhaust will end up at the right spot. However, right now we have to move the exhaust like far forward, the expansion chamber, so it makes it so if you can see, zoom in on this here, it's not flush anymore. So if I take it off and redo that, see how flush it is like this, should be that. But because we're doing it's like this, which is not good, so that's why we're gonna have to do that, because it probably won't be able to be ridden with like that. I wouldn't trust it, at least. I don't want to cause any engine damage or something like that. Otherwise, a lot cleaner than it was, and one step at a time, I guess. So let's get this mounted and let's take it out for not a rip, but start it up. Nobody saw that. I wouldn't do such a thing. My peanut-sized brain can't afford that.
Don't get on it. Okay, go.